Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about do while loop, right? Do while loop. Okay, so before I talk about do while loop, what does the while loop do? The first of all, it is going to check the condition. It is going to check the condition. Let's create another example for you guys so you guys can remember. 10 and then while, right? While parenthesis and then curly brackets, right? And then put the condition here, num, right? Put the conditioner maybe num um, till bigger than 5, right? If it is bigger than 5, it is going to get in my while loop. So what's happening here? First of all, the code is going to check the condition. If my number is bigger than 5, it's going to get in while loop. If the condition is false, then it is not going to check in, then it is not going to check again, and also it is not going to get in my while loop. Otherwise, keep, if it is true, otherwise keep executing until it becomes false, right? This is the purpose of while loop. This is how we use it. Okay, so what's happening in do while loop? So do while loop is a little bit different than while loop. So first of all, we are executing the body no matter what. If the condition is true, if the condition is false, we don't care about that. Java is going to execute the body once and then check for the condition again another time, because it is iterational, right? So another time when it comes to the do section again, it is going to check the execution, right? It is going to check the condition actually, and then if the condition is false, do not run anymore. Otherwise, execute until the condition becomes false. So what is happening here? Int number. So when we give the actually example, we are understanding it better. So this is the skeleton of the do while. Do curly brackets and then while and then parenthesis and then semicolon. Okay, so in here again in the parenthesis we need to put the condition. So what is our condition, right? What is our condition? We can put some condition here, maybe my number um, um, less than, maybe my number less than 10, and then I'm gonna put it here 5, right? I'm gonna make it 5 because, so I don't want it to infinitive loop, right? Because I don't want it infinitive loop. So in this case, as long as my number less than 10, this do while loop is gonna work, right? Do while loop is gonna work, and no matter what, right? No matter what, my do while loop is going to execute this here, no matter what, right? No matter what. So it is not taking the condition first. From the first iteration, when the code comes to the do while, and then it is executing this part, and then it is checking the condition, right? And what do we need to do here? What do we need to do here? Again, I don't want it to, right? I don't want it to infinitive. So if I put the increment here, my number is gonna get increased by 1. Increased by 1. So what do I mean by this? Let's run it and then see the result. Number. So I think I'm going to delete this. Something is happening here. So Java line unresolved completion problem. So now, okay, guys. Okay, we are doing something wrong here, right? I was like, what's going on? Okay, so what's happening here? Okay, let's make it less than or equal, because I want to see the 10 here on the console too. Okay, so what's happening here? The first condition is happening anyways, right? The first, I mean, not the condition, but the first, this line execute anyways, right? And then Java is taking the while condition here, while the number less than or equal to 10, it is executing it. It is executing it, right? So this is what's happening. And also, if we, even if like, so let's say something, so let's say it is not going to match, right? So let's say it is not going to match bigger than 10, right? So let's say my number is bigger than 10, then it is gonna and again it is going to execute. But no matter what, the first condition, no matter what, it is gonna get in my do while loop, it is gonna get in the body, and body is gonna be executed, and then ask the condition if the condition is true, and then go again. But as you guys see, Doesn't matter if my condition is true or false, it is getting in my body, executing it, and then checking the condition. Most important thing. So sometimes we need while loop, sometimes we need do while loop, depending on the real-time environment that what we're gonna do with our workflow, right? With our workflow, because since we are calling these operations control flow, right? We are controlling our workflow with while loop, do while loop, and the for each loop. Okay, this is all about this video, and I would like to see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.